Thank you for calling George Smith Auto Body. If you know your party's extension, please dial it now. For customer service, please press 1. For the status of your automobile, please press 2. For payment and account information, please press 3. To speak with an operator, please press 0. Common side effects of Zontif may include headache, dizziness, stomach pain, and change of appetite. Tell your doctor if you have serious side effects including nausea, vomiting, feeling unsteady, and loss of coordination. Get back to living your life. Choose Zontif. In 1.5 miles, turn left on Main Street. Then proceed 5.7 miles to your destination. Recalculating. Your destination will be on the left. Tucked away in the biggest land of friends is Littlest Forest, home to our buddy, Quinn. Quinn loves Littlest Forest because it is fun, safe, and close to lots of Quinn's friends. Quinn also loves to make art here, especially on the rocks. Sometimes, when Quinn is sad or scared, Quinn draws. Quinn draws what makes Quinn happy. Rocket ships, rainbows, sunshine. What are your favorite things? Can you draw them? The story of Victor Frankenstein and his monstrous creation has held readers spellbound ever since it was published 2 centuries ago. On the surface, it is a novel of tense and steadily mounting horror. But on a more profound level, it offers searching illumination of the human condition in its portrayal of a scientist who oversteps the bounds of conscience, and of a monster brought to life in an alien world, ever more desperately attempting to escape the torture of his solitude. A novel of hallucinatory intensity, Frankenstein represents one of the most striking flowerings of the romantic imagination.